Maya Moore is an American professional basketball player for the Minnesota Lynx of the Women's National Basketball Association who is on sabbatical. She was born on June 11, 1989 in Jefferson City, Missouri. She is the daughter of Catherine Moore. She attended Moru Heights Elementary School as a child. In September 2020, Moore married Jonathan Irons. Moore was named to Forbes 30 Under 30, the sports world's brightest youngsters for 2015. Moore's father, Mike Dabney, who was not part of her life growing up, played collegiate basketball for Rutgers University, New Brunswick in the 1970s. Moore's young sister Olivia Dabney plays basketball for Rutgers Preparatory School and is a rising star in New Jersey. Another sister, Ashley Dabney, was a track and field athlete in college. From 2013 to 2015, Moore also won the Chinese League title every year. Moore won a second EuroLeague title playing for UMMC Ekaterinburg in 2018. Since 2019, Moore has taken a hiatus from her WNBA career to focus on reform in the American justice system. Naming her their inaugural Performer of the Year in 2017, Sports Illustrated called Moore the greatest winner in the history of women's basketball. Moore was the first overall pick in the 2011 WNBA draft and joined a Minnesota Lynx team. Since 2011, Moore has continued to excel both with the Lynx and with overseas teams in Europe and China. In 2012, she won both the Spanish League title and EuroLeague title playing for Los Caceres Valencia. USA Basketball named Moore to the squad that will play the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro, which would be her second Olympic tournament. Moore earned her second gold medal, helping USA beat Spain 101-72 in the final gold medal game. Moore has won 4 WNBA championships, a WNBA Most Valuable Player Award, a WNBA Finals MVP Award, 3 WNBA All-Star Game MVPs, 2 Olympic gold medals, a WNBA scoring title, and the WNBA Rookie of the Year award. In high school, Moore was the National Gatorade Player of the Year, the Gatorade Female Athlete of the Year, and the McDonald's All-American. She played forward for the Yukon women's basketball team and won back-to-back national championships in 2009 and 2010. Moore was also an impressive college student. She graduated with a 3.7 GPA, earning the Elite 88 award and was named Cosida Academic All-America First Team. Moore won the 2010 ESPY Award for Best Female College Athlete. Over the course of her career, Moore has been invited to year's honors at the White House 5 times, prompting President Obama to joke that basically there's like a Maya Moore wing in the White House. Moore was selected Best Female Amateur Athlete by Connecticut Magazine for 2010. Moore is also an advocate for the End It movement, which seeks to end slavery in modern times.